Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Portugal orders Tekever AR5 drones for maritime surveillance and EEZ patrols with operational capability due in September. The Portuguese Air Force has ordered Tekever AR5 unmanned aerial systems for maritime surveillance, security and defense missions, including monitoring of Portugal's exclusive economic zone. Deliveries and initial operational capability are scheduled for September, when the service will begin operating the autonomous platforms directly. The contract also covers operator training, a ground control station and Tekever's Atlas mission system. The acquisition is intended to strengthen the Air Force's autonomy in long-range surveillance missions. The AR5 will also support coastal security, environmental protection and public interest missions, including operations involving the Special Rural Firefighting Unit, or DSUR. Tekever will provide a knowledge transfer program to help the Air Force develop its own operational capability. Initial training of Portuguese Air Force personnel is due to be completed in September alongside delivery of the systems. A second training phase will follow in October to support full operational readiness. The integration of the AR5 system represents a significant enhancement of the Portuguese Air Force's operational capabilities. This platform meets current surveillance, security, and defense requirements, providing greater range, endurance, and operational flexibility, said Lieutenant Colonel Luís Henriques, operational coordinator of the Portuguese Air Force's AR5 working group. Its integration will strengthen the nation's capacity to monitor the exclusive economic zone and support a wide range of public interest missions, contributing to an air force that is better prepared to respond to present and future challenges, Henriques said. The AR5 is designed for wide-area intelligence-gathering missions and can remain airborne for up to 20 hours. The fixed-wing AR5 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial system with a payload capacity of up to 50 kilograms. It uses satellite communications for operations beyond radio line of sight and can operate from short or unprepared runways. This contract puts an autonomous capability developed and produced in Portugal to work in protecting our airspace and maritime territory. In addition to supplying the aircraft, we will cooperate with the Portuguese Air Force to consolidate and develop its own operational capability, which will strengthen national autonomy, readiness, and response capacity, said Pedro Pitais, Director of Strategic Development at Tekever. Tekever said its systems have accumulated thousands of flight hours across coastal patrol, persistent surveillance, border protection, environmental protection and search and rescue missions. Its platforms have been operated for organizations including the UK Home Office and the European Maritime Safety Agency. Tekever systems are also operating in Ukraine, where they conduct surveillance and reconnaissance missions. The Portuguese contract brings the AR5 into direct service with the country's Air Force for maritime, security and defense operations. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.